how to remove your mobile number from Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to remove your mobile number from Snapchat. So in order to do this procedure, first of all, log in into your Snapchat account and then tap the Bitmoji icon from the top left hand side corner and go to the gear icon. While you're on the settings page, here you'll be able to see your mobile number. Tap on it. So unfortunately, you'll not be able to remove your phone number once you've already added it, or else you can just leave it blank and you do not need to add a phone number, or it is not necessary that you have to provide in the phone number. But if you had already added your phone number, the only way to remove is by replacing it with another phone number. So I'm going to replace this with another one. Only then I'll be able to make changes with the phone number. Or else if you do want to add a phone number, then the only alternative is that you have to create a new account. Otherwise, there's no such way as removing your phone number or leaving it blank once you've already added your phone number. So that's how you can remove your mobile number from Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.